back at it again, you feel me? It's your boy. Today's Sunday, we on gold right now. One daily time frame, if gonna be doing a weekly forecast, you feel me? Basically, I'll be anticipating where the market might be heading, you feel me? So right now we're on gold on the daily time frame. As you can see, we've been inside this consolidation for a long time, you feel me? The market is ranging between here and here, inside here, you feel me? So but it's cool though. We're finna break it down and see what the market is heading. So what I'm gonna do, I just marked out the highest high and the major low, you feel me? So I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna go inside here and see what I'm seeing, you feel me? I'm gonna do the annotation and explain the annotation after I've did the annotation, you feel me? So right now what I'm seeing on the daily time frame basically that's it, you feel me? I marked out the high. I can mark out this high, you feel me? But I'll do it on the 4-hour time frame. For now, I'm just gonna mark out the highest high and the lowest low. Let me check the weekly before, just to see something, how the weekly closed, you feel me? Okay, closing the bearish, you feel me? So you can open here, right? It's a tough one, but it's okay though. So let me go to the 4-hour time frame and do the annotation, then I'll explain them as I do them, you feel me? So now on the 4-hour time frame, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark out this high, you feel me? This is the high that you saw on the weekly time frame, if you remember it. Then I'm gonna mark out this low. This is our liquidity on the 4-hour time frame, you feel me? Major ones, you feel me? High and low, you feel me? Then now I'm gonna see what I'm seeing here. There's a bunch of liquidity here, as you can see, you feel me? Relative equal highs. So let me just mark this out as well, you feel me? So I'm seeing liquidity here, a major one is here I'm seeing liquidity here and here, you feel me? Yes, liquidity. So let me just do the annotation, then I'll explain them, you feel me? So I did the annotation, you feel me? As you can see, let me just explain. Here it was relative equal lows, price broke the low, came back inside, did a market structure shift, you feel me? Broke this high, you feel me? Now it's changing direction from sells to buys, you feel me? Came back inside just to retest at the 75% level, you feel me? OT, is it OT? Optimal something entry, you feel me? I think it's OTE or something like that, you feel me? Came back to retest somewhere here, you feel me? Went up, break the high again, so he took out this liquidity. Now he took out this liquidity as well, you feel me? Came back inside again, meaning he wants to retest order block here, retested on this order block, you feel me? Right now it's looking like it's reversing, you feel me? So what I'm seeing right now is price took out the liquidity on the sell side, you feel me? So right now he's seeking liquidity on the buy side, you feel me? And the liquidity that I'm seeing on the buy side, he took out this one as well, you feel me? On the sell side, he took out you feel me? It was forming lows and he took him out, you feel me? So this is a sell side liquidity. But when I'm talking about major liquidity right now, I'll be talking about this one, you feel me? This is the major liquidity because this one was a major liquidity as well, you feel me? This double relative equal lows. Once he took him out, he's seeking he's seeking major liquidity on the higher side, you feel me? Because this is internal liquidity. This is basically external liquidity, you feel me? So right now he's gonna seek external liquidity while taking internal liquidity inside. Hopefully I'm making sense. If I'm not, one day I will, you feel me? Don't worry, one day I'll make sense. But we have relative equal highs here. This could be internal liquidity but external as well, you feel me? This is the external liquidity. This is the internal one. I know I am rambling now, mumbling. Let me just do this. I'm gonna mark the high to the low with the fair value gap, you feel me? Just to see where's the 50% level and what the market does, you feel me? Let me do this. Here it is, you feel me? This is the 50% level. As you can see, we have the 25% level, 75% level, you feel me? So price started from here, went up, you feel me? Came back inside to touch the 50% level. Once the price came back to 50% level, then is when we can mark out our Fibonacci, you feel me? Just to see how the behavior of the market, you feel me? So the market came, touched the 75% level, came back above again for the above the what you call this 50% level, you feel me. Right now it's coming back inside, went above, you feel me. So here, because price to touched what you call it, the 75% level here, you feel me, it might be looking to it might be looking to touch the 50% level as well here. If you're not the 50%, the 75% level here, it might be looking to touch the 25% level as well, which happens to be just below the liquidity that is resting here, you feel me. So that's my anticipation, is that the market will seek liquidity, which is here at the 25% level, you feel me. So I'm expecting market here. I don't know what it's gonna do here. Maybe I don't know what's gonna do, because we have a fair value gap here, as you can see, you feel me, a small and a fair value gap, but I'll just mark it out. Plus we are on the 50% level. Fair value gap on the 50% level is a strong value gap, fair value gap, you feel me. So we might take that into consideration, you feel me. But I'm expecting price basically to go above, you feel me. Let me just mark out the 4-hour fair value gap here and go to the 1 hour, you feel me. So let's go to the 1 hour, sorry, and let's see what's happening on the 1 hour, you feel me. So right now we're on the 1 hour, you feel me. So on the 1 hour here, the market, we don't know if the market is gonna open with the what you call bullish gap or a bearish gap, you feel me. But right now basically we are close to the fair value gap, you feel me. The market might just open, touch this fair value gap. It depends on how the market opens, you feel me. It will all depend. If it opens with the gap below, it might gap below, do whatever it does, maybe take out this low, you feel me, test inside this fair value gap, then come back above here to test this, to use this to go here, you feel me. It might do something like that, you feel me. So basically I'm not seeing much on the 1 hour time frame, you feel me. What I'm seeing is that we took out this liquidity, now we're aiming for liquidity on the upper side, you feel me, which happens to be this one and the major one, which is this one, you feel me. That's what I'm seeing. Let me just do the annotation here. So yeah, I did the annotation, as you can see, you feel me. Here's Monday, where the market is gonna open Monday, you feel me. It's gonna start trading, proper trading, you feel me, based on the New York, not the SA time, you feel me. Based on New York time, this is where true market is gonna start trading. Here we're gonna have a price, you feel me, which is Sunday price based on the New York, on the AC time. This is gonna be midnight trading, whatever, you feel me. Here is gonna start around what time? I think 6 or something like that, you feel me. 6 a.m. something like that, you feel me. But here what I'm seeing is, as you can see, took out this lows, came back inside, you feel me. Now it's seeking liquidity on the high side because it took liquidity on the lower side, you feel me. Seeking liquidity on the high side, which happens to be this one, you feel me. But based on how you analyze it from the higher time frame, it might be looking also to take out this one, you get me. So that's what I was seeing on gold. I think I'm gonna do the review for gold, the forecast for gold only, because this video already is 8 minutes long, man, 9 minutes long, man, you feel me. When I start to explaining things, but the video, it's crazy work, you feel me. And to upload it might take a minute, you feel me. Finally, it might take like an hour to upload, so that's why I'm avoiding to make long videos, you feel me. But it's okay though. Here, once it opens, hopefully it does something like this. I'm not saying it's gonna do this exactly, I'm just anticipating. It might just from here go up, you feel me. But what I'm expecting next week is for price to go up. That's what I'm expecting. But I want you to remember something. If price is gonna go up for the whole week, I'll just, since I have time, because I'm doing like one video, I'll just one pair, I'll just try to explain certain things. Since I have time, you feel me, let me do this. Since the market, remember, if the market is gonna do a weekly, what you feel me, is gonna be bullish the whole week, it has to create the low of the week on Monday or Tuesday. You feel me? Let me remove this. First, let me do this. Let me remove this and explain it properly. What I mean is, if it has to create the low of the week on Monday or Tuesday, let's say it creates it on Monday, you feel me? Once it opens here, it does whatever it does. It has to form a week on the lower side first, you feel me? Monday trade has to form a week on the lower side first, you feel me? Then once Tuesday opens, you feel me? Then you start forming the candle of the weekly, which is gonna be end up bullish, you feel me? Let's say this is Wednesday, Thursday. Let me just try to do this. I have time, but I don't have time. The video is already filmed. Let's say this is. Let me just put it Thursday. You feel me? But I'm gonna end on Wednesday, but I'm not gonna do Friday. Basically, Friday is a reversal. Let's just say that. You feel me? So basically, Monday has to form the low of the week. Remember, the market opened here, low of the week, before it can, you feel me, go do whatever it wants to do, target the high, you feel me? If it's bullish and if you are aiming for that, you feel me? Or it's gonna form the low of the week on Tuesday, you feel me? Or it's gonna form the low of the week on Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. Usually, if you are bullish, is when the market forms the low. If you are bullish of the week, if you are bearish, the high of the week, you feel me? Something like this, the low of the week before it can. So hopefully you get it, man, you feel me? So basically what I'm anticipating is buys. If anything happens, I'm gonna explain it on a Monday trade, you feel me? Or why it happens, why I'm expecting sales instead of buys now, if it, you feel me? If anything changes, because it depends on how the market open and how it behaves on Monday, you feel me? So basically this is it. Thank you for tuning in, man, you feel me? I appreciate your time, and yeah, make sure you subscribe, so feel me? Yeah.